Is eating animal products morally wrong? Have you ever stopped to think about the impact of your food choices? The question of whether eating animal products is morally wrong has sparked a lot of discussion in recent years. This topic sits at the heart of contemporary ethics, especially within the ethics of veganism. Let's break down the key points. First, consider animal rights and welfare. Many ethical thinkers argue that animals are sentient beings. This means they can feel pain and experience suffering. Philosophers like Tom Regan and Peter Singer have pointed out that animals have their own preferences and lives. When we kill animals for food, we take away their lives, which many see as a serious harm. The conditions in which many farmed animals are raised often involve significant suffering. This raises important questions about whether it is right to use animals for food when there are alternatives available. Another important concept is speciesism. This term refers to the idea that humans prioritize their own interests over those of other species without a good reason. Critics of this view argue that it is similar to other forms of discrimination, like racism or sexism. Treating animals as mere resources for consumption can seem inconsistent with values of justice and fairness that many people hold. Environmental ethics also play a big role in this discussion. The production of animal products is linked to serious environmental issues. These include greenhouse gas emissions, land degradation, and excessive water use. Such environmental impacts raise concerns about justice and sustainability, affecting both current and future generations of humans and animals. On the flip side, some people believe that eating animal products can be morally acceptable under certain conditions. For instance, they might argue that supporting humane farming practices or consuming animals that have died naturally minimizes harm. Others point to human evolution as omnivores or cultural traditions that include meat consumption as valid reasons for eating animal products. With new options like lab-grown meat and plant-based substitutes, there are ways to enjoy meat while addressing ethical concerns. In practical terms, thinking about the ethics of eating animal products encourages individuals to reflect on their dietary choices. It invites a closer look at how animals are treated and the consequences of our food systems. Many people who care about ethics choose plant-based diets or support more humane and sustainable food sources. From an ethical standpoint, eating animal products is increasingly viewed as morally questionable due to the harm it causes to sentient animals, the environmental damage involved, and issues of justice and equality among species. However, differing ethical frameworks and cultural contexts lead some to argue for conditional acceptance of animal product consumption, especially when harm is minimized. This ongoing conversation reflects changing societal values about the moral status of animals and the responsibilities humans have toward them.